Hi, Matt Capell here with Capell Flooring, and we're doing another edition of What's in the Box. If you are new to this, basically we get new flooring samples all the time at our flooring store here in Meridian, Idaho, and we thought it might be fun to have me or somebody from our staff open it up and talk about it on the spot. So, as you can see here, this one's from Engineered Floors, which also is Dreamweaver Carpet and Pence Carpet. So it's all the same company. And this box was very, very heavy. So, oh, it is carpet. All right, we were kind of wondering, but the reason it's probably so heavy is because there's a lot in here. So that's good. So this should be fun. All right, I'm gonna leave the box here for right now. All right, so first up, Caspian. This color is called Cloud 9. So we have a little bit of a pattern here. It's pretty. Let's see. Right here, looks like most of their details are going to be through this QR code here. So, yeah. So this is part of their pure color line. Has a normal action back. One thing about Dreamweaver Carpet is they solution dye all their products. So they have this nice graphic. Solution dyeing is like a carrot. Color goes all the way through. Conventional piece dyeing is like a radish. So this makes it very, very, very stain resistant, which is nice. This has just a little repeat in it. Whenever carpet has a repeat in it, you just have to add a little bit of carpet every time you make a seam, so that way you can line up. So like if you have a seam along here, you gotta count for that pattern. But this is a nice line. It looks like a nice, what we call a LCL or loop cut loop. So these are the loops. This is the cut part. So there's Caspian. It looks like a nice piece. So let's throw that over here. All right. And we have another one that is called Capri. And it looks like they might have the same colors. Let me look really fast. Okay, so they have the exact same colors. So this is just a slightly different pattern. This is on a diamond point. But yeah, it's pretty. This one has a small repeat pattern too. So yeah, Capri. Were you able to see the pattern on that? So it's just little diamonds. So that's pretty. So again, this is another LCL or loop cut loop. Looks like the next one is too. So let's see what we got here. So this one is called Moon Bay. So it has the same colors. This is fun. I like it when they do the same colors over multiple carpets because you can kind of change it up in your house a little bit, but then you can still have the same color. So this one is what I traditionally call a pin dot. So if you look closely, there's a little bit of loop and some cut. So you got loop, cut, loop, but it's really tight. I mean, the pattern's a 1/2 inch wide by 3/4 inch long, so it's really small. This particular color is called Ice Filled. But again, it's the same colors again. So yeah, that's a nice piece of carpet. This carpet in this style, it comes back. It never really goes away for a very long time, and so a lot of carpet mills have something that looks like this. And this is kind of a nice, safe, pretty LCL. They look nice. So it's very common to see this in other mills. But again, same color line, which is nice. And last but not least, we have, what do we got? This is called, oh, how do we say that? Palmetto? I think that's right, palmetto. So let's see. This is more normal carpet, so you gotta fluff it up. So we have a good, better, best. So I'm thinking this is the good, the better, and the best. So what that means is there's just usually more face weight, more material. One thing to keep in mind, which I think I've mentioned in other box openings, is that when they make a good, better, best with carpet, the good is actually good. A lot of times in some things, like if you go through old Sears catalogs and stuff, good was code for bad. So good, better, best. When they do that with carpet, it's good. Other thing too to keep in mind with this is that's a nice color line. So you have Flexicolor here. So the back side is almost always the best carpet. So if you're filling for side, sorry. So this is usually the best, but on the other side, if you're filling for like thickness, you should fill on this side, not this side. Let's see if there's anything else I need to tell you about it. No, it looks pretty straightforward. This is also part of the Pure Color line. But yeah, Palmetto 1, 2, and 3. But we like it when carpet mills do a 1, 2, and 3 because it just gives you flexibility again to use the same color. A lot of times people will put, like, say this color, Vienna, they'll put it in their master bedroom in their family room where they are all the time, and then maybe in a basement they might put the Palmetto 1, same color, so it looks the same. It just costs a little bit less money in another area that's not used as much. So anyway, so this one's called Palmetto. So yeah, it looks like we have several new additions from our Dreamweaver line, and yeah, it looks good. Looks like these will be nice price point and give a lot of options for people. So but thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to call or text us, and we would love to help you with carpet in your next house. Thanks.